Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to install your signature for Thunderbird email account. So beforehand, we go to MySignature.io. After that, we choose the signature that we want to work with. Under the preview window, there will be install button that we need to click, and then we choose which email provider we're going to work with. In our case, that is Thunderbird. You will be able to see all the steps that you need to proceed with in the window to the left, and the right one you can just double check if everything on your signature works well. I'm pretty happy with the result that I'm seeing right here. So I'm ready to proceed with the last button, which is copy source code. We copy that by pressing the green button. After that, we are ready to go to Thunderbird application. Here we need to press the top left button which says Thunderbird, and then there will be account settings button. Right here we see signature text section that we need to check out the box which says use HTML, and then we just pasting this that we copied beforehand from MySignature website. After that, we're just closing this tab and we're composing a new message where we can see the signature installed within our template. There are red lines around it, but no worries on that part. Your receiver will send the regular signature that you've seen on your preview. I really hope it was useful for you. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They're always there to help you. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye, guys.